Hello everybody. Manufacturing companies dealing with products such as electrical switches, panels, modular accessories, plastic components for industrial and everyday use, primarily manufacturing non-consumable items, often face operational challenges as they grow. Their sales inquiries are scattered across emails, Excel sheets, and WhatsApp. Quotations are difficult to track. Dispatches are short-handed. Payment visibility gets clear only after the due date has been passed, and customer satisfaction are not being able to manage through different ticketing and repair management system. This is where the Odoo kicks in and is also going to happen streamline your business operations accordingly. Let's look at it in a very quick manner. Odoo has CRM system which ensures that you can track all your pipeline in one single window. For each of these pipelines, there are different stages available. For each of these stages, you would be able to associate different activities, and these activities will allow you to capture the details. If you look at different activities, it can give you a clear window of what is delayed and what needs to be done for the next record. You have different graphical views and pivot views available to track and analyze all your opportunities accordingly. The forecast details are also available, ensuring that your business operations run smoothly. With respect to quotations, you will be able to raise quotations from the system. You will be able to put multiple products, put discounts, track what quantity has been ordered, how many have been delivered, how many have been invoiced in one single window. You also have the capability to send invoices, quotations, and orders right from the single window itself. These quotations or tracking can be done in the chatter for activities for different emails which have been shared. As you can see in the screen, the chatter window allows us to see all these details accordingly. Once the sales has been processed, we move to inventory where the deliveries tracking can be done efficiently by the store team. Whatever is supposed to be delivered can be seen on the screen, and we can also see the delay cases. The system allows us to validate delivery of the partial items as well as the complete items, and once you have done that and you move to sales, you will be able to do your invoicing accordingly. For this case, invoice quantity are less than the delivered quantities, and I can create the invoice right from this window. The system can intelligently track how much have to be billed and accordingly will allow you to invoice accordingly. Based on the customer's payment cycle and the due date, he will do the payment, and you can record here in this window through this cycle. This will allow you to track your invoicing, reconciliations, and everything in one single window. Along with this, we have after post service where you can track all the tickets and issues raised by the customer. All these things will be available in one single window. You will be able to associate engineers, you will be able to track the progress of the tickets, and if required, you will be able to raise a field service activity for your team as well. The team who will be able to associate different products will be able to associate planned dates, and once over a period of time, they can track start and the end time accordingly. Once they finish, the task can become marked as closed and a report can be shared with the customer accordingly. Please note that everything is available through a portal directly with the customer as well. Along with this, we have the capability to manage repairs, and for these repairs, you will be able to associate the stock which is available. For example, here I'm going to choose a cable heavy duty date. If something is not available, then the stock availability is required. You can update the quantity based on the delivery. For example, in this case, the quantity is marked as minus. I can update my stock here, and based on which my repair order can now be executed accordingly. If quotation is required, can be done. If not, you can mark the repair and the stock movements will be handled automatically. Moving on to dashboards, the dashboards allow us to see all kinds of reports and filters in the system. The pipeline details for the complete year are available, invoicing details, Helpdesk ticketing details, all my sales income, everything is available on slot. We do have the capability to see multiple filters and groupings available in almost all the reporting through the system. An example can be seen here, where for a certain pipeline you have different kinds of reporting systems. For pivot view, you have the capability to have multiple filters and groups through which reports can be extracted and put in the spreadsheet also. That's all for this video. For more personalized discussion about your business and how we can uplift your business, please contact us. Thank you very much.